Fine, let us go with the problem number 18. Right here, state T for true and F for false and mark the correct option. Right, let us take one by one. So first one is, right, 2 by 5 is equivalent to, right, what? 2 into 1 by 5. True, yes or no? Right, see 2, which we can rewrite 2 by 5. Yes, it is true. First one is true. Second, 15 1/10 makes 2 by 5. Right, so that let me solve here. 15 1/10. Right, so let me go with this 2 by 5. Right, so this is in terms of mixed fraction. Let me convert it into improper. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 by 5 we got. Right, now, so you can divide this, that is 12 by 5, with this 1 by 10, or otherwise what you can do, 12 multiplied with 2, similarly 5 into 2. Why? Because I am making denominator same, because here 1 by 10 they have given, that is, which is going to be, so 24 by 10. Right, so 1/10, 15 1 by 10 makes 2 by 5, that is nothing but 24 by 10, which is not right, so that is what it is going to be false. Or otherwise you can do in one more way, that is going to be, so 12 divided by 5, 12 by 5 divided by 1 by 10. Right, now division, you know, fraction division, that is 12 by 5 into 10 by 1 will become 5 1s are 5 2s are, which becomes 24. So that's what 24 1 by 10 makes 2 by 5. So it is false. Now third one, 1 2 3 and half represent a 3 and half if, yes, if is equal to 1. Right, so 1 2 3 3 and half. Right, it is true. Right, so the fourth one, let me take, this is 2 by 3 they have given, 4 by 6, 18 by 27 are all improper fraction. No, it is false. Why? So improper fraction, in case of improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. Here in this case, right, numerator is less than denominator, first one. Second one is also same. Third one is also same. That's what it is false. TF, let us check out here. TF, TTFF. Right? So the question here, let me check out. False, false, true, true. Right? Right. So here, 15 1 by 10, that is false. Right, this is right, the options are not right, so here the options are not right here. Right, so the answer here is TF. It is a typo mistake, right? Typo mistake here. Right, so the answer here is TF. True, false. So true, false. Right. Right, you need to take care, otherwise they would have given, so one more option, that is E, so which is none of this. Right, here it is none of this. Right, so it is a mistake here, maybe this one is the right one. Right, I'll check, but this is the right answer. Right, thank you.